All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Delta COMMIX exposed roller shower door. Now, I thought the instructions for this were extremely complicated, so I just wanted to share this video so you can have a visual, because once the visual started coming together of this, I was able to understand these instructions a lot better. And what it is I had a door that opened on the right side rather than the left. The instructions they give you are for a left opening. And it's up to you to just have to figure out how to change it up. So let me show you some of the aspects of this to make your install a little bit easier. Now for step one, you're going to be wondering what the heck is going on here, because the first thing you're going to do is set this strip on your wall. And as you can see, I put it to the outside of the base. I had a little bit of a lip here because I knew that this slider sits in from it. But the first thing you're going to do is set this, and you're going to say, well, how is my door going to be supported over here? Well, it's because you get this glass panel, you run your caulk down the inside, and you put a strip on the bottom of this, which I just caulked this whole shower. And then you just slide your glass right into that bracket right there. Now, after that bracket's done, that's when you're going to get your support from your bar here that goes all the way across to this mark here. So the easiest way I found was to set this, then cut your distance on this, because this piece always comes long for you to cut it. Cut that, mount it to here, then you make your mark where this holder bracket's going to be. It's a nice door because it has a nice magnetic holder on it right here. As you can see when you shut it, it has a really nice seal on it. This was also an odd step, is you have either a left or a right bracket that holds this glass in place so it can face this way. Then this strip goes all the way across. And this is your thin strip that you put on last. One other thing, this cap for the stopper here would just not stay on at all. We had issues with that. As you can see, we had to do a little bit of Gorilla Glue, which that'll be getting cleaned up too. But overall, it's a great door. So guys, if you're installing this door, I hope this helped you out, because I was looking for some help on YouTube and I couldn't find it. So if you have any questions about this install, feel free to ask, because everything turned out really well and it's like 80 pages of instructions. So be ready if you're installing it. It's a little bit complicated, but once you start having the vision, you're good to go. So follow Dave.DIY for more homeowner DIY tips. I have plenty of other videos like this. We're closing into 100,000 subscribers, so stay tuned. Thanks, Dave.DIY.